What's going on, everybody? Back at it again. I had a request to see how to pronounce my name for the channel. It's Gardening with Barchuckin. Barchuckin is a nickname that I was given with bowling, so I figured why not use it for the channel. Today's going to be a quick review on some snips for around the garden. I have two pair. I have an older, was it Black & Decker pair. This one I've had for probably about 5 years, so anything kind of rough, hard, big for chopping, I use that. And then I have a newer pair that I'm going to use strictly just for the garden. So I'm just going to go ahead and kind of show how I use these and let you know what I think about them. So as I said, these shears I only use in the garden. So with the pepper, I just come back on the stem, give her a snip. Another one over here. Take this guy. Boom. Right through like butter. Squash plant. Just come right on in. Give her a snip. Booyah. I also use the snips to go ahead and cut back leaves that are dying so we can promote some new growth. With the fence and the growth, it might be a little hard to see, but like these guys, I do not want to use my good snips on. So I just come back here with my older pair and just take them out. So now back by where the pine trees are, things are a little thicker and a little bit more woody. That's what I end up using these guys on. It makes short work of it. Just so you can see how thick, and it just goes right through it, which I like. So with my snips, I can just chop this stuff here right up, so I can put it into my compost bin. And these do a great job. So, like I said, quick review. These are awesome for in the garden. These are awesome for outside the garden, cutting down little twigs and branches. I even use it on a front dogwood tree, small branches, cut them out. I don't know if anybody else has two pair, one pair, if you guys are kind of doing the same thing I am, but let me know in the comments down below. I think it's something that is pretty interesting, and I like having two different ones because I can kind of beat this one up, and then I have a nice pair that I can cut any delicate stem or any piece of fruit out of the garden, and I don't have to worry about, you know, nicks and dings and tearing up the fruit when I'm cutting it, or even the plant. So thanks for watching. Don't forget, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys next time.